Welcome to today's episode. Understanding ADHD, Unlocking the Potential Within. Join our Wellness Warrior community at wellnesswarriorshub.com, where we encourage and inspire one another to be the greatest versions of ourselves. We encourage participation, so feel free to leave comments, ask questions, and tell us about your own wellness journey. ADHD, or Attention Deficit/Hyperactivity Disorder, is a neurodevelopmental condition that affects people of all ages. It's a complex and multifaceted condition that can present challenges, but with the right understanding and support, individuals with ADHD can thrive and reach their full potential. ADHD is characterized by difficulties with attention, hyperactivity, and impulsivity. It's important to note that ADHD is not a result of laziness or a lack of intelligence. It is a real medical condition that affects the brain's functioning. In ADHD, there are differences in the brain's structure and the way certain neurotransmitters, such as dopamine and norepinephrine, function. These differences can impact attention, impulse control, and self-regulation. In a school environment, children with ADHD may struggle to focus, follow instructions, and complete tasks. Teachers can play a crucial role by creating structured classrooms, using visual aids, and providing clear instructions. Tailoring teaching strategies can help students with ADHD better engage and succeed academically. When my child was diagnosed with ADHD, I felt overwhelmed and didn't know what to do. But through education and support, I've learned how to better understand and support my child. It's important for parents to be patient and understanding. Providing consistent routines, clear expectations, and positive reinforcement can make a big difference. While ADHD poses challenges, it's important to recognize that individuals with ADHD often have unique strengths. They can be creative, innovative, and full of energy. Nurturing their interests and providing opportunities for physical activities and hobbies can help channel their energy in positive ways. ADHD doesn't just affect children. Many adults struggle with ADHD as well. It can impact their work, relationships, and overall well-being. Seeking professional help, such as therapy or coaching, can provide valuable strategies and support to manage ADHD symptoms in adulthood. It's essential to remember that many highly successful individuals have ADHD. They have harnessed their unique abilities, finding careers and pursuits that align with their strengths and passions. Understanding ADHD involves dispelling myths, promoting empathy, and embracing a strengths-based approach. By providing support, tailored interventions, and fostering a positive and inclusive environment, individuals with ADHD can thrive and make valuable contributions to society. So let's strive for understanding and acceptance. Let's create a world where individuals with ADHD can embrace their unique abilities, overcome challenges, and shine brightly. Together, we can unlock the potential within.